Today I'm going to introduce you the Panasonic Nanoe Hairdryer. It comes in two colors. They have white and pink, and I choose pink color for myself. The specialty of this hairdryer is the nano system, nano switch. You can choose to switch it on. After that, you choose the temperature of airflow. They have three temperatures here. Later, you choose the intensity of the airflow with the main switch. Alright, I'm going to show you the result after blowing my hair with this hairdryer.